sisters, and today we will be showing you an experiment we are trying to do. Now this is our own. So my sister will lead you through the stuff we're going to have, and I will show you the ingredients. I hope you enjoy. So we're making mini cupcakes. You need sprinkles, a spoon, a pan for the cupcakes, a jug, a bowl, a spatula, and a mixer. So this is what we're going to have. I shall show you the ingredients. We're going to have some jam. Choose whatever jam you like. Some milk. You can choose a specific milk. It doesn't really matter. So it is time to start. So we're going to grab our jam. This is the jam we're going to use. So we're going to put some in this little cup. I'm trying to make sure we don't use that much. Be careful. I think that's a good amount. Now obviously you'll have different amounts than us because we're doing this in tiny, but that makes it even more fun. So now I'm going to grab my bowl, a spatula, and I'm going to pop the jam in here. If you spill any, that's fine, so yeah. Okay, our jam is in, and my sister's going to be pouring some milk in. So this is the milk, we just put it in a little bowl. So I'm going to pop it in here as well, because I don't want to spill it everywhere. And then my sister's going to pop, I think this is a good amount. Yeah, that's a good amount. Then my sister's going to pop that in with the jam. And then we will mix. So here's the milk. Let's pop that milk in. And now she's going to pop it under the mixer and she's going to mix it. So I'm going to pop this in. Okay. You want to make sure you mix it really goodly. So it's not like watery. You want to make sure it's kind of thick, like normal cake batter. It's alright if it's thinner than you prefer. Yeah. If it is too watery, you can add some more jam. If it's too thick, you can add some milk. So I'm mixing it. You've got to mix it for 1 minute if you want it to be fine. So I'm mixing it. And it is meant to change colour, so it's alright if it does get darker. It just means you're mixing it well. So yeah, so usually we separate the milk and the jam, but this is an experiment. This is just what we've done in the past. So, and after this, we're going to grab our cake mold. A cake mold. Don't mind the spatula on it. A cake mold, and then my sister is going to pour the cake mold into this, and then I'm going to pop sprinkles on it. So I think we've mixed it enough, so I'm going to check. I think we might put some more jam in. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. This time I'm going to just get a spatula. And so I'll pop in some more jam again because there's not really that much in it. So I'll just pop in some more in, which is alright. And then she's going to mix it again. And then once she's done it, she's going to pop it in there, as you know, put sprinkles over it. And then we're going to pop it in the freezer and until it's ready. Okay, so here it is. I added some more because I felt it was really thin. So, and it's alright if you make too much. That doesn't matter. You can always just eat it because I think it will still taste good. Now, if you don't like jam, you can do it with icing, anything that's thick that you like. Yeah. But not M&M's. Yeah. It has to go well with the component you are choosing, which is the liquid. So, I'm just mixing it, and it has turned like a deep red brown, which means it's working and that we've mixed it enough. I'm gonna make sure it's not too watery, and I think we're doing a good job so far. This experiment is going well. Okay, I think this is enough mixing.
Yeah, this is enough mixing. Now she's gonna pour it in.
I'm gonna make sure that it's like...
And now she's gonna pour it into the jug.
Yeah, I think we did a good amount. It's watery enough, but it's also thick enough. Yeah, I think we need a good amount on this one. I do think we should add a bit more jam. It is quite, but I'm gonna mix it. It is quite thick though. I think this is good.
Yeah, that's good.
So I'm gonna put this in a bowl. We're gonna wash up soon. There's the cake pan. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna take our tiny spoon. Okay. And I'm gonna pop it in. I wanna make sure I'm not doing too much, which is why I'm using a tiny spoon.
You've got to be careful so you don't spill any.
But if you do, don't worry, you can clean it up later.
Yeah.
Now it's actually quite fun doing this, so I think you will enjoy it if you do try it. Okay. Here we are. Oh.
It's okay if you spill a little.
Yeah, I'm clumsy as well. Making sure I add a good amount. There we are. Okay, this is good.
And now my sister is going to pop some sprinkles on.
Yeah, now these are edible sprinkles, don't worry. You can choose any color or your favorite ones, but we are going to use these ones, don't mind the blue tack. So here we are, just taking the blue tack off.
We kind of
Opened it already. But it's fine.
We shouldn't have opened it, but then we would need to cut it open, so we just didn't do that.
Yeah, so here we are. Our sprinkles, I'm gonna make sure it's open.
Yeah, well, just make sure you don't pour too much on. Like,
yeah, I'm gonna pour it into my hand. There's the amount. I think I'm gonna pour a bit more. There we are. You don't need this much sprinkles. Honestly, feel free. Depending on the size. So I'm gonna pop them on our sprinkles now. Okay. Yours will obviously be a lot bigger than ours if you do try this in real life.
Might just be a bit harder though.
Yeah, I mean, but...
Or a bit easier, you never know.
I think it's going to be easier for them because we did it tiny.
Yeah. It was just to make the video more interesting.
But as long as they taste good, that's what we want. They don't have to look perfect.
Yeah.
Never judge a book by its cover. Okay, I think we are done. So let's go put them in the freezer. So here we are, we're going to go pop them in the freezer. So here we are. All done. And then wait for like, I'm going to say a good 30 minutes. So we hope you enjoyed.
And I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you later.